Today we will show you how to set up your new Garmin Approach S70 golf watch. First, we would recommend charging your watch for 2 hours before heading out to the course. Let's talk about how to use the touchscreen and buttons to operate the watch. For example, you can tap on the screen to enable the backlight. Swiping up or down will scroll through pages. Tap an option to select it. Covering the screen with your palm will return you to the watch face and disable the backlight. We will now talk about the buttons on your Approach S70. The bottom button is referred to as the back button. Pressing this button will return you to the previous screen. The middle button is also known as the menu button. Pressing this button lets you access the controls and settings menu. You can also press and hold this button to power the watch on or off. The top button is known as the action button. Press this button from the watch face to open the activities list. And that's it, your Garmin Approach S70 series watch is now set up. To learn more about your watch, please see our other videos or visit support.garmin.com.